What's going on, guys? Clayton coming at you again from Two Way Direct. Today I'm here to talk about the Icom F2000. Now, this radio is a little bit different than the others when it comes to its belt clip and battery. So I just wanted to show you how to take them off. So first of all, you'll notice that unlike most radios, the battery clip is not down here. It's actually going to be up top, these two buttons right here. You're going to push down on them to remove the battery. Now the belt clip itself is also a little tricky. You're going to see a little notch right there. You're going to push that in and you're able to pull the belt clip off. Now again, same way. Button up, perfectly on, and battery's in. If you want to take a look at this radio, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893 and discuss what we can do for you.